So I'm testing the new camera. I bought the Sony Alpha CP something. I'm gonna write it down because I don't remember the name. I'm gonna be recording a tiny bit more of the things I'm doing, sharing a tiny bit of my daily life, also sharing my pottery, but I want to involve also a tiny bit more of like documenting a tiny bit my life. So we're gonna be cooking now rice, and I'm gonna be showing you my apartment because we just moved into a new apartment. I'm really in love with, motivated to experience, to enjoy the apartment because basically we have a lot of light, we have a outside terrace, and that's awesome. We're having more space, more room, and plenty of boxes everywhere. It's quite fun and exciting, and I'm happy. I did disappear a tiny bit because I had some issues with my family. My uncle passed away 1 week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and it's been tough. I've been supporting my family and helping them as I could. I've been moving, changing apartments, and yeah, working a lot with the dance company. So I hope you're doing fine. Let's go cook some food because it's actually almost 4 and I didn't eat yet. So I think it's about time. Welcome to my wardrobe. It's gonna be, actually we are mounting a room that is just for the closet, and I'm gonna be showing you a tiny bit around, but now it's quite messy, and also the room is quite small, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you perfectly with this camera. So yeah, I'm gonna record maybe with my phone or something like that. That is gonna be easier for you to see. And yeah, we are organizing and unboxing all the clothes that we have on everywhere, actually everywhere on our new apartment. So I'm just taking some time before going to teach to organize a tiny bit, which is quite needed. And the thing I like the most is that this camera, the autofocus is awesome, because before I had a Canon, well, I had few Canons and it was a struggle, and I think that this is also a reason why I stopped recording with that camera, because I wasn't motivated. It was a nightmare to focus anything, basically. I'm back home. I've been performing this morning with the dance company and I'm dead, I'm done. I'm actually wanted to go to the pottery studio to prepare a kiln of firing, a glaze firing, because I have a lot of pieces, but yeah, I'm tired and I'm gonna just rest, stay here home. I'm gonna prepare my lunch, dinner, whatever. Dinner is what I wanted to say. And I'm gonna be actually showing you a tiny bit more of the apartment, the rooms, showing the idea we have. We can talk about it, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know, because it would be lovely also to get some input, because I have no clue about interior design. Also, I wanted to share this video with you because as you will see, I'm mixing a lot of formats. I don't know which one to use yet. It's the first time I'm using these cameras and also this brand, Sony. And so far, so good. I mean, it's been 2-3 days maybe that I have the camera, and I'm really excited and motivated. It works perfectly, but I think now I'm recording with a better quality that I was recording before. So yeah, I think I'm gonna spend some time, and if you want, because if you think that it doesn't make any sense, if you want, I can record for you the evolution of the space of this apartment and also the ideas we have planned for it. But yeah, you let me know. But anyways, see you soon. I hope that I'll be able to record and to do more stuff in here, and love you. See you next time, and let me know if you also enjoy some content that is not related with pottery, like this video that you didn't see anything of my pottery studio. That if you wanna see some stuff, they will come for sure, or you can also watch my previous videos. See you, ciao, love you, talk to you soon, or not that soon, but you see me when I see you. Ciao. Bye. Love you. Besitos. Adiós.